welcome back to our channel. It's been a little while since we've done a video, but we wanted to take a moment now as the holidays approach and Thanksgiving's over. It's time to start decorating for Christmas. We've already decorated in our retail space at the Brass Bear in Birmingham, Alabama. Now we're going to be decorating our home, and I wanted to take a piece of reclaimed wood that a friend gave us and turn it into like a tree skirt. It's going to be an item that looks like a box with a cool decorative stencil on the outside of it to make it look authentically old. And it's going to be sort of this framework around the bottom of the tree instead of a tree skirt. So it'll look like it's in a box. We have this piece of reclaimed wood. You can tell it is naturally old and weathered. We're going to take it, sort of break it up into segments, and then put some hinges on it so that way it is easily stored in your closet or in a storage area, your attic, when Christmas is over. So, and hopefully this inspires you to take a piece of wood that you may find laying around and turn it into something beautiful. We hope you enjoy this video. Give us a thumbs up. If you like anything that's DIY, farmhouse decor, or any of those items, then be sure to hit the subscribe button, and then also don't forget that notification bell that you'll be reminded when future video uploads. Thanks for watching, and we will show you how this turns out.